Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a NYX beauty box to share with you, and it's the Valentine's edition. So this is the February box, and it's a teeny tiny box. So if you didn't already know, NYX have started bringing out monthly beauty boxes. No subscription, very similar to ASOS. They just release them once a month and you can see online exactly the products that you're going to get. So you're able to make a decision if it's a box for you or not. I think they started doing them around November time last year, so only a couple of months, but it does look like they are going to be doing this regularly, just like ASOS, which I think is amazing. Now inside contains a huge selection of beauty products. The value is, I think it's over about £70 from memory. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, there's a load of little teeny tiny samples in there. I have had a look because I was just curious on how you could fit it all in there, because it is a teeny tiny box, but yeah, they're in there. There's some really lovely products. I don't think there's anything full size this month. Last month we had an amazing facial massager. So the boxes do tend to be different month to month. I definitely recommend you checking it out. So as soon as I hear about them, and they do men's boxes as well, I put them on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. So exactly the same as this. So if it's something that you want, you're able to get it there and then, and not having to wait until a couple of days later for when I upload a video, because they do sell out, just like the ASOS box. If it's a good one, it's going to go quick. I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to open up and showing you what we got inside. There's no information card or anything like that, so I'll literally just go through one by one showing you what is inside this month's box. That's how it's packaged. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of a Latest in Beauty collection box. Have you ever had one of those? They are just jam-packed full of beauty products. Just jam-packed. Like, it makes you wonder how on earth they can fit it all in there neatly. But yeah, there's loads, isn't there? Loads and loads and loads. So the first item in the box is a setting powder, and this is by Beauty Bakerie, and it says sample on it. For a natural looking baked beat, try our lightweight matte flour setting powder. Great for setting makeup or baking, of course. That sounds just bonkers, doesn't it? Flour? Flour on your face? But obviously it's a proper makeup product. Yeah, that's what it looks like there. It's got a little jar of powder. Oh, look! It's just come off all over my... Look what's happened to me. I can't tilt it. Can you see? Typical. It hasn't got, you know, one of those things that really annoy the heck out of me. You know, one of those things that you have to peel and you have to get your nails right in there to peel it. It hasn't got anything like that. It's just literally powder all over my hands, all over my floor. Not good. Feels nice though. That is weird. That is weird. But yes, so that's the first item. Next we got a Cherry Blossom hand cream by L'Occitane, and we got 10 mils there. Oh, it's lovely. That is really, really nice. Oh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we got a hand cream. Next we got a product by Pixi, and this is Rose Flash Balm Instant Skin Booster, and there's 15 mils here. Now I'm going to give this to a friend of mine who absolutely loves this product, and it's nothing wrong with it, it's just I'm not really into rose smelling products really, so anything that I get rose, she's like, oh, give it to me, give it to me, so she'd be having it. But this is a Hydrating Radiance Boosting Balm, wakes up lackluster fatigued skin in a flash. For all skin types, can be used AM or PM as needed. So there's that. This is becoming a familiar in subscription boxes, but it's a Regenerate toothpaste, and it is a good toothpaste. I've tried it a good few times now, and it is a really good toothpaste. But we've got, it's 14 mils. There. So it's a nice little travel size if you're going away for the weekend or a night or something. It's a handy little size to bring, isn't it? But yeah, it's advanced toothpaste, regenerate enamel, reverse the early erosion process. So it's that. Now this, I am super, super excited about this. It's the first time I've ever seen this before. Haven't seen it anywhere else. It's a St.Tropez. This is a self-tan purity vitamins. Now I've had the St.Tropez, the purity range before in this. It's the blue sort of shades. Had a load of these in subscription boxes last year. Amazing, amazing product. Really lovely. Sort of like gives you a lightweight sort of natural looking tan. You can spray it all over your body as well, and you can put your clothes on straight after. No streaking, no stains, nothing. So this is a glow boosting vitamin C and D one. No, I don't know how much we got there, but we got a little bit more than what I normally have. Maybe we've got like 20 mils or something. I am really excited to give this a go. Read up a little bit more about it, 'cause I've never heard of it before. Simply spritz and glow with this lightweight, tropical scented, no rinse mist, powered by vitamins for a radiant, glowing tan and instant feel good factor. Really happy with that. Really, really happy. So there's that. Another item which I love is Smashbox Primer, and this is the Photo Finish Primeriser. Primeriser, I think that's how you say it. It's a primer, and am I reading it the wrong way around? No, it's a primer and a moisturiser in one. I've never tried this before, but I love Smashbox primers, the pore ones, you know, absolutely brilliant. The photo ready ones, they're beautiful. So we've got quite a good size there, I think. So we've got 15 mils there. So it's a moisturiser and a primer in one. No, it feels quite nice. It feels quite nice. It says it can be used with or in place of a moisturiser. And it says it was created in our LA photo studio to replenish moisture and prep skin for makeup in one step. This non-greasy, quick dry formula acts as a makeup magnet that locks on foundation and makes it last. So yeah. So we got a Smashbox primer there. Then we got a Noble Isle Tea Rose Bath and Shower Gel. And this is 50 mils. Ooh, hopefully you can see there. Does have a rosy smell to it, and I'm not that keen on rosy smells, unfortunately. Looks like I'll be giving that away to my friend. When it comes to bath and shower items, yeah, they sort of linger on your skin, the scent, doesn't it? So it's not, rosy smelling ones are not something that I would go for. Oh, what a shame, what a shame. But it's just me being fussy. So there's that. Then we got a GLAMGLOW sample here, and this is Instamud 60-second pore refining treatment, and we've got 7 mils. I've never tried that before. Tried a few from this brand, but not that one. Or pore refining. Oh, that'd be handy. 60-second pore refining. So you just literally put it on, let sit, and the mask will transform into oxygenating bubbles. Leave on for 60 seconds. Rinse with warm water. Follow with your regular treatment routine. Use 2-3 times a week or as often as desired. Ooh. Oh wow, I thought that'd be like a mask or something, but no. So I've got big pores, so that is going to come in handy for me. And next we've got a good size sample of Origins. It's Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. It's a soothing treatment lotion. Now my cousin absolutely adores this, so anytime I get one I'm going to save it for her because she really, really likes it. So that's a really nice size actually, 30 mils. It's a nice good sort of size to get used to it, see if your skin likes it or not. But yeah, I think you can buy the big size version, which is, I think is it 150 or 200 mils for around £40, 36, £37, around that mark anyway. It's a soothing treatment lotion by Origins. So there's that. Next we've got a Lauder Berry. It's a lipstick crayon. And I love lipstick crayons, but I don't like that one at all. I received it in a glossy box. It was the Devil vs Angel glossy box. I can't remember how long ago that was. Was it back in like October maybe? I'm not too sure. But yeah, in the Angel box then we got everything sort of pinky shades, and we got this lipstick and it's called Angel Pink, and it doesn't suit me whatsoever, so I'm not going to swatch it because I am going to just give that straight away to someone, whoever wants it really, in my family or friend circle. But yeah, the actual crayon itself is nice, really, really nice. I've tried a few from the range. Lauder Berry do their rounds in subscription boxes quite often, so I have tried them, and yeah, I do really like them, but just not that colour. It's just too baby pink for me. Very, very, very bright. So there's that. Got another lipstick here, and this is, it's by Illamasqua. It's Antimatter in shade Bang. I've already had this. Where did I have this? Look fantastic, is it? Look fantastic. I think I've had it this month. It's a gorgeous lipstick colour. Really, really lovely. Really nice. It's only a little mini one. But yeah, a shade I wear, so yeah, I'm happy to have that again. Next we've got a perfume by Estée Lauder, and this is Beautiful Belle, and this is a perfume spray, and we got 4 mils here. Oh, that is lovely. That is really nice. That is really, really nice. And I like the fact that it's a spray. You don't usually get them this small in a spray. It's usually just, you know, you dab them on and off your skin, isn't it? Let's see if I like it. Beautiful Belle. That is quite nice. That is quite nice. Yeah, that is really nice actually. That is really nice. Oh, that is lovely. That is really nice. So yeah, Estée Lauder, Beautiful Belle in a spray. So that. Next we got a This Works, and it's a pillow spray. is a teeny tiny one. What is this? It's 2.5 mils, look. I've had a few of these in subscription boxes as well, and they are nice. They're really nice. You just spray them into the air or around where you sleep, onto your pillow, and yeah, it's supposed to help you relax and help you get off to sleep. But it's a love sleep one. So this one is reclaim the bedroom for sleep and intimacy with ylang ylang and patchouli. That's why I can smell it a little bit different. It's normally like lavender and chamomile. There is a different smell there, but no, I don't think I've ever had that one though. So that's a new one for me, unless it's a new one out. That's why it's sort of like a sample. I don't know. So we got that. Then we got another item by Elizabeth Arden, and this is PREVAGE Anti-Aging and Intensive Repair Daily Serum, and this is 5 mils. This luxurious correcting serum helps counteract environmental damage and visible aging signs with a powerful combination of idabenone and skin revitalizing technology. It helps support skin's natural collagen matrix, immediately see firmer, more radiant looking skin. So there's that. And then lastly, which is so handy for me, is the St.Tropez Tanning Mitt. So it looks like there. Inside they've got like a protection barrier there to stop the fake tan seeping through, but the actual mitt itself is so soft. It's like a vela. It just blends nicely onto your skin. So yeah, so there's that. So those are all the items. There's a load of them, aren't there? There is a load of them. As far as the value of this box is concerned, I'm a little bit on the fence this month, in all honesty. The box is a little bit more expensive than what we normally pay for. They have been around the £15 mark before. This one is £18. It is jam-packed full of products, but a lot of them are samples that say not for resale and things, which, you know, which is fine, but a lot of them are little samples. Then you have got 1 or 2 items that are like minis then, you know, like the Origins lotion and the St.Tropez spray, and that mitt is obviously a full-size item. So there is a few items there, but there's nothing that stands out to me that's saying, whoa, this is really, really great value for money. It's a fab box. I'm glad I got it. There's a lot of items in there I will use. There's a few items I'm going to give away, but yeah, I am on the fence as far as trying to work out if it's actually worth £18 or not. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it this month, or have you had a look and you just thought, no, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. Oh, and I'll just show you the men's box quickly, which still can be bought on their website. So inside the packaging, we also got some extra samples. So I've got some men's sample perfumes there. They were just added extras. But yeah, so the men's box then, this is £12 and it contains 6 products. So a lot less items, but the sizes are a little bit bigger. So yeah, so we've got, just quickly go through it. We got a House 99 by David Beckham, and this is a face wash. We got a Percy Nobleman beard wash. We got a Noble Isle shower and bath gel. We got a Regenerate toothpaste, as we have in the ladies box. We got an Old Joel's beard wash. No, sorry, we've already got a beard wash, a beard oil. And lastly, we got a Philip Kingsley Flaky Itchy Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. So that's the men's box there. All links and everything related to this box. If the ladies box is still in stock, I will pop that down below as well. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.